How to install Android Studio on your MacBook. So first of all, go to the Google Chrome. Then you need to go to the official website of the Android Studio, that is developer.android.com/studio. Then you need to click on the download Android Auto Studio. Then it will ask whether you have a Intel chip or an Apple chip. So you need to select if you have an Apple one, that is i3, i4, i7, okay, something like that, then you need to select Intel one, M1, M2, M3, then you need to select the Apple chip. Okay, so once you do that, then it will download a file here, as you can see, Android Studio arm.dmg. okay, then you need to click here and you need to simply install it on your MacBook. Okay, you need to simply hold and drag just like other applications. Okay, hold and drag the Android Studio icon into the applications folder on the screen shown. Okay, once you click this particular link. Okay, so once you do that, now you are going to the launch pad here, and now you can see Android Studio is right here. So I'm going to click here. Again, it will give you a warning here because I am opening it for the second time, so it didn't give. So it will give you a warning like it is an application downloaded from the internet. Do you want to open? So you need to click on open. Okay, so we will proceed. Let me see what it is giving. This is our dual setup your development environment, and it will also help port existing Android apps into the Android Studio. Okay, so click on next, then select the type of setup you want for the Android Studio. Okay, we will go with the standard one. If you want to review or change any of your installation settings, click previous. Okay, so these are the SDK components to download. Okay, so it will download additional few things here, around 2.31 GB. So I'm going to click on next here. Okay, then these are terms and conditions that you need to accept. Of course, you are going to accept it. Then there is this thing for the Google Play ARM that also you need to accept. Okay, so once you accept both these things, then it will give you the option to click on next here. Now it will start downloading. So depending upon the speed of your internet, it will download the whole 2 point something GB whatever it was showing. Okay, so once it downloads all the content, then you need to click on finish here. It also installed it. Okay, so now we need to click on finish here. Welcome to Android Studio. Okay, now it is giving the option to create a new project to start from scratch. You can go ahead and click on new project just like this. Okay, now you can go ahead and choose what kind of templates you want: phone and tablet, Wear OS, television, car. Okay, so most probably you are using for the phone and tablet. So according to your app or whatever you are going to develop, you can go ahead and select it. Okay, suppose you are going to do something like YouTube kind of app, then you need to go ahead and select empty views activity, something like that. Okay, click on next here. Then you need to name your application, then your package name, then save location, language, what kind of language you want to develop in Java or Kotlin, then what will be the minimum SDK. Okay, so if you're done if you learned this Android Studio, if you've done any kind of project inside this one, then you will be already knowing all these things. And when you click on finish, then it will take you to the let me click on finish here. Then it will take you to the external libraries. Okay, then you can go ahead and start find devices. Okay, click on don't allow. Okay, then you can go ahead and start creating your project or creating your application. So this is how easily you can install the Android Studio on your MacBook and start creating applications. Thank you for watching the video.